kill you. Just listen to me.
You don't know anything. Everyone's gonna warm up to me. It's my destiny. I know it.
According to your definition, you're a selfish, annoying, island-stealing loner. Now!
I deserve Dream Island. I deserve respect. And I deserve...
The death penalty.
There she is. That nasty, wretched, island-stealing, evil-spawning menace! Get her! Wait, guys! Yeah. Yes! Ah!
Give us back the island!
You don't understand! I can't let you!
Come on, find me! If I win, I'll just let you onto the
You
island!
think I care about that? So who wants to deal the final blow?
Me! Oh, man.
I'm gonna do it! Your weapons are all so primitive. Say hello to my latest invention! Ah, shucks! Stop!
Why are you stopping us? Are you in cahoots with Leafy?
No, I'm just... I'm a murder guidebook. If anyone deserves to kill her, it should be me, a finalist.
Book.
And don't try to stop me, you don't know the whole picture.
Do you really want to be known as an island stealer? I know you don't remember Leafy, but...
Of course I remember Leafy. Why else do you think I'm doing this?
Oh!